aquaponics feed the world?
Holy catfish! It's the aquaponics lady.
I'm going to say yes. Can aquaponics feed the world? It can, absolutely. I'm a huge advocate and passionate person about aquaponics, and I'm passionate about it on a backyard scale, on a small little barrel system, on an indoor aquaponics system, on a community level aquaponics system, or even taking it commercially if you have the understanding and the knowledge. It uses less water than any other type of gardening. It grows 4 times faster. You can grow a lot of vegetables and also your fish for protein in the one integrated system. And in areas where there is drought or water restrictions and things like that, if you have it in an insulated shed, then you'll be able to minimize the amount of water loss. So it can definitely work. Because you can grow a lot more food, it can make a hell of a difference. Hydroponics was introduced, and hydroponics is different to aquaponics. It was introduced really strongly around, in one of the wars, because America was trying to make sure they could feed their troops overseas. So hydroponics was what sort of made this into a mass production. But here's the thing, hydroponics does have environmental issues that aquaponics doesn't. Aquaponics is completely sustainable, and it is a natural, well, it is an ecosystem, and it is a man-made ecosystem, and we are replicating the natural ecosystem into our man-made ecosystem. Isn't that the best way for us to make a difference to our world? One, to help people be able to have access to healthy food, as well as being able to help the environment. So yes, can aquaponics feed the world if it's done right and it's supported well? Absolutely. In every country, everywhere in the world, it is possible. It's possible. It can do it. We need to get behind this as a sustainable food source, so we stop wrecking our environment and everyone has access to healthy, clean food.